If you're looking for a really great preamp that has awesome file compatibility as far as digital sources are concerned, a bunch of analog inputs, and just an overall no-nonsense design that comes with a lot of customization options underneath the surface, the Rotel RC-1572 Mark II is probably the choice for you. Welcome back, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. And here's your question of the day. What preamp are you currently running in your system? So there is a lot packed into this little unit. In the options, one thing I really appreciate if you go into the menu system, and this is where I'm going to start because you don't find this many other places. Not only do you get things like tone control for adjusting bass and treble according to your preferences, but you also get the ability to set fixed volumes on each of the different inputs, which is really fascinating. So rather than just always referring to the volume knob, based on what inputs you have and what you want them to come in and go out at, you can just have that set up ready to go. That's not a feature you see in many other places, and it's kind of unique to Rotel. On the digital side of things, this Mark II variant has a much improved DAC from the likes of Texas Instruments. And here's the really cool part. Not only does it do 384 kilohertz as its max sample rate, which is sky high, but this is MKII capable. Yet another MKII capable device finally out on the market when just a few years ago they were sparse. Now we're seeing them pop up from a whole lot of manufacturers, and Rotel joins that list. And it's really good to see, because one thing you should know about Rotel by now, if you've been watching our channel, their internal circuitry is no nonsense, and they just do it right. On that note of internal circuitry, you get a bunch of analog ins, a handful of unbalanced, even balanced ins on this device, and balanced outs. That's right, you can use XLR cables. If you have a very nice CD player or you want to use a high-end external streamer, hook it up via XLR and you're done. On this, you also have digital inputs for coaxial and optical, as well as USB. And finally, for convenience sake, you do have Bluetooth on this device as well, so you can just hook up your phone via Bluetooth and call it a day if need be. Another great feature of this product is that it plays nice with all of today's control systems like Control4, Savant, Crestron, as it includes an RS-232 port specifically for the purpose of being controlled by those systems, as well as an Ethernet jack, which can be as simple as giving it an internet connection to keep its software updated, or also using that for IP-based control. But what is using the RC-1572 Mark II actually like? Well, one thing I've noticed about these Rotel products, especially when you get into their separates, is that they're just squeaky clean. There's very little noise, if any, in this unit. It sounds really straightforward and just basically flat. Especially on the analog side, I like it using maybe an external digital source. The built-in DAC is very good, and especially if you're running MKII for it, by all means. Though I do think Rotel's strength is in their analog circuitry, and that seems to show a little bit here. So if you are looking for a preamp that is squeaky clean, has great functionality built in, a plethora of inputs and outputs, whether it's unbalanced, balanced, and great digital compatibility all around, click the link down below, head on over to skybygramophone.com, where you will find this for a price of $13.99. You can check out securely and of course receive fast and free shipping straight to your door. And always, stop by one of our showroom locations if you live nearby. We'd love to demo a whole set of Rotel products for you. You'll find us in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg. We also have a beautiful kitchen design center in Hunt Valley for all your home improvement needs. All right, everybody, if you had fun today, please give this video a like. And in the event you're trying to learn a little bit more about Rotel products as a whole, be sure to check out the VOD of the live stream we did with Rotel just a couple months back. It was really informative, and we had some great content in there. Don't forget to answer the question of the day down below and let me know what you want to see us review. Of course, thanks for stopping by. Be seeing you.